Hello, greetings, good morning. Well, today it's raining very beautifully, and I thought I should capture this. Look at how beautiful nature is today. वर्षा हो रही है बहुत ज़ोरों से और सुबह से हो रही है और बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है. I just wanted to share with you this moment as I am standing here and contemplating and looking at a lot of things and feeling a lot of things, and how nature is all the time reviving itself, cleansing itself, purifying itself. There's very deep messages in what the nature does to us. If you can drench in these rains more than physically, I mean, if you can actually feel what the nature does to you all the time, अगर आप इसको महसूस करेंगे, इस वर्षा को, पवित्र वर्षा को, see how powerful it is just by looking at this kind of a video or looking at Mother Nature so beautifully cleansing itself. More than Mother cleansing itself, अगर आप गौर से देखेंगे, no, it's not Delhi, this is Karnataka, North Karnataka. अगर आप गौर से देखेंगे, if you look at it very closely, more than nature pouring out the rains, look at the receptivity of the things in nature. Look at how this plant is receiving the rains. You can see, if you can observe it closely, connect with the consciousness of these plants and see how they are beautifully receiving the rain, how they are cleansing. Everything in nature, there is no restriction. Everything is free flow, just receiving as it is naturally. Dear ones, this is what nature does to us all. But if we are not mindful, if we are not aware, like if you see, this plant is fully aware, it is fully conscious. They are conscious. They are fully conscious, and that is why they are receiving it. And you can see how they are receiving it also. Look at it and you will know it. Look at the consciousness of it and you will know it. There is no restriction. They are naturally receiving it, bountifully receiving it. And you can see the kind of happiness, if you can see it. You can see the kind of happiness that they exhibit while receiving it. They are being cleansed. This is what nature does to us also, dear ones. Nature does this all the time to all of us, but we are not aware of it. You're not aware of it. Look at them. You'll see a certain kind of bliss in them, a certain kind of freshness in them, a certain kind of happiness in them. This is what I mean when I say connect to nature. Not the physicality of it, just connect to the consciousness of these plants also, and you will see what I'm saying. Look at them. Dear ones, if your awareness is intact, if you are mindful and aware and conscious, you shall also receive what is being given to these plants also. It's not a difficult thing. Dear ones, this is how just looking at Mother Nature, an aspect, an element of Mother Nature, that is the water element, the Jala Tattva, just by watching it, you will feel refreshed. Just by watching it. You don't even have to get drenched in the rain. You don't have to get wet or something. Just by watching it and listening to the sound of rain, you're able to connect to it. Because I am giving a running commentary. We don't connect to it if there is no commentary around, or if there is someone not actually triggering something in us. Do we actually need people to trigger us? It is just shifting into awareness. There is one that you just look at these plants as it is and say, I have heard people say, oh, what, the whole day it's begun with rains and it's so cloudy, it's so gloomy, and all my work is stopped and it's so wet and it's so dirty. But I always see the other part of it. It's your perception. You change your perception, the experience also changes. If you look at this very groggily, it looks very groggy, you will feel groggy. Your consciousness also will feel groggy. But if you just shift your awareness into what's really happening, without all these prejudices, without all these conclusions that we have in our mind, without all these yardsticks that we place for everything that we see outside, without everything, look at this plant. It's not judging anything. Absolutely, it's not judging anything. Can you even feel it is judging anything? Look at it. Do you feel these guys are judging anything? Thinking anything? They don't have a mind. It's a blessing not to have a mind. And that is why they're fresh and healthy and beautiful and wonderful. This is what happens to our consciousness also. You shift your perception, things shift. So during these times, I would highly recommend practice shifting into awareness. In whatever you do, you don't have to do great things. Wherever you are, whatever you do. Like today morning, I just came out and stood here just watching the rain with my cat. And it felt so beautiful. Just the awareness shifted and everything felt so beautiful. Suddenly, it's all like stars. It's all like illumination. So I said I should share this experience with you and make you also experience it. That's the reason I put on this live and showed it to you literally. So every morning if you can do this, just look at nature, go out and look at nature. Even if you don't have nature around you, even if the little plants that you have in and around your home, look at them, talk to them, touch them. There's so much, guys, actually. There's so much, actually. Because anything which you do with that kind of a perception becomes your experience. You touch them, you can feel the love in them, the consciousness in them. And I mean it, it's not poetic. Try doing it. We do it with so much of logic, we do it with so much of doubts and so much of science in our heads. Let go of everything and just feel it. Open up your hearts and consciousness and feel everything around you. It's just beautiful. So I thought I should just share this. It is just a brief live video. Just reading your comments. Okay. The weather somewhere you say is not good. Doesn't matter. As I told you, it's just your perception. It's all your perception. This weather that I just showed you, many people are cursing this weather also right now here, saying what kind of a weather is this? So cloudy, it's so gloomy. I don't see gloom in this. It's again your shifting of perception or shifting of your awareness. Even in the places that you feel the weather is not good, just shift your awareness. Shift your focus, change your perception. Just in your awareness, you change your perception, and the experience that is happening to you will immediately switch. It will immediately switch and give you the opposite results. Try it and see. Like, I don't know what you were thinking or which mood you were in. When I just showed you this video, the things changed. Suddenly it changed. Or somebody is talking something of a different perception, of a different level of awareness. Just by listening to that person, you connect to your awareness, and suddenly the things change. Your mood changes. That's how powerful it is. The mind is very powerful. So we got to make good use of it. With this, I think I'll take a leave. Once again, I'll just show you how these guys are enjoying the rain. It's a pleasure to watch them all the time. This is how you connect to divinity. You don't have to put big, long prayers for divinity to listen to you. You don't have to make long, big, formal requests to the higher tattvas or to your master. Oh, well, by the way, I have a beautiful post coming out right now. The morning when I got up, I was looking into an earlier post, very old post, I think 2013, where a child was trying to write something to Babaji, to Gurudev. And that touched my heart, because I was at a shivir at that time, and I was on duty. And this small chit came to me with a beautiful painting of Shivalinga. A small child wrote beautiful words in pencil behind the paper and sent that across to me, because he or she, I don't know who the child is, wanted this to go to the master. However, we don't give everything that way to the master, but I knew spontaneously that this has reached the master. And this I'm not talking just for the heck of it. It did reach. I know it reaches. Even what you write, you don't have to make long requests and prayers and send it or post it physically to your master, or sit in long prayers and send long prayers to God wherever your God is. There are certain techniques through your awareness, through your consciousness. If you do it, it will reach. It will short reach. I will share some live examples of my life. But this has happened in the post. I was just writing that and editing it. I think I'll post it in another 5 to 10 minutes. So you can just have a look at that post. That will give you a reboost of how you can actually communicate through your consciousness, through your awareness, and it reaches the higher souls, the higher realms. It reaches in different ways which we might not understand, but it does help. So with this, I think I'll stop this video. It was just a short video. Rest you can see my post 5 to 10 minutes later from here. Lots of divine love and light to all of you. Stay blessed.